Hello, do you want to be your own CEO? Yes, that's what I'm asking. Do you want to be your own CEO? And I'm going to share with you some interesting ideas to move towards that. Before we proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. Why it is important to be your own CEO? Understand that it's your life. And if you become CEO of your own life, you will notice that many things, in fact, I will say that everything in your life will start working out much better than it is right now. So how to reach that space? First idea is that you need to take absolute full responsibility for everything that is happening in your life. Let me ask you this. What is the common factor in everything that is happening in your life? Just think for a moment. What is common in everything that is happening in your life? That is you. And for everyone's life, that individual is the common factor. And who can you take control of? Who can you take responsibility of? Only of that one person, yourself. So take full responsibility for everything that is happening in your life. In every situation, just ask yourself, how is my responsibility showing up in this particular area of my life? And you will notice you will start taking decisions which give you much better results. So take full responsibility. Second important thing that you must do is start asking questions to yourself. In fact, if you pay a little closer attention, you will notice every thought that you have is an answer to a question. The question may not be so evident, so visible, but every thought is an answer to a question. Which means if you start asking quality questions to yourself, you will start getting quality answers to yourself. As a CEO, what do you want people to do? You want people to take actions, take decisions, and become more responsible. And how do you do that as a CEO? As a CEO, if you start asking questions to people, they will start thinking. And as they start thinking, they'll start becoming more empowered. So the same thing I'm suggesting to you, start asking questions to yourself so that you start thinking, your mind starts working much better, your mind starts becoming solution-centric, and you start moving ahead much better. Third important thing is have a vision for your life. Where do you want to see yourself? What do you want to accomplish in your life? And convert that vision into a vision board. What is a vision board? Let me quickly tell that. A vision board is a pictorial depiction of what all you want to experience in your life. It may be in terms of your health, in terms of your relation, in terms of your holidays, in terms of your professional growth, in terms of where you want to live, what kind of place you want to live. All that can be a part of your vision board. So create a vision for yourself and create a vision board which you can look at and relate to every single day. And that's when you will probably remain on track to move and actually make that vision a reality. Next important thing is become absolutely clear about your priorities. Understand that ultimately you have so much time. And in that much time, you have to accomplish everything. And that will be possible only when your priorities get clear and you start giving your time to those priorities and you start saying no to many other distracting factors which are all around us. Next one is to become your own CEO. Share your ideas and vision with people who matter, people who wish you well. And as you discuss these ideas with such people, you will get further insights. You will get perhaps further clarity about your thought process. You will get clarity about the vision that you are creating. And with their experience, you will be able to modify that, improve that. You will get some implementation ideas for that. you can also become aware of what are the likely challenges that you may face, and you be prepared for that. So that is another important aspect. Like any CEO has some set of people who are able to guide him, support him, or share ideas or bounce off ideas with such people. This is another thing. And the last thing that I'm suggesting is be you. Be yourself without any compromise. You are living your life not to please others, to get approval of others, but you are living your life to experience yourself fully, experience your potential fully. And that will happen only when you live on your own terms, right? So examine these 6 ideas that I've shared and ask yourself, what will you start practicing more, and how will it shape your life in a much better way?